Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create your first ever support ticket on your Freshdesk account using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Freshdesk. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, let's go to Freshdesk. Via Freshworks, go to freshworks.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now go to Account. You should now be signed into the account. Let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to Tickets. We want to then go to the top right corner where it says New. Click on this, then click on Ticket. We want to search for a contact, which will be myself as part of this tutorial. So this will be assigned to myself. The subject will be, let's just say, Wi-Fi password. Type, question, source, phone, status open, priority. Let's just say this is an urgent priority as we require the Wi-Fi password to start work. Without this, we cannot. Group, agent, myself, product, Computer Science Videos, and the description. Let's just say the customer is struggling for the Wi-Fi password. The customer requires the Wi-Fi password, kind regards, CSV. And then what we can do, we can also have a reference number. I'll just say ticket 1. If we need to have some tags, we can also create some tags. So let's now create the support ticket, our first ticket within our Freshdesk account. Let's now go to tickets, and here we have that support ticket that was created by ourselves, for ourselves, just so we then know what the tickets are, what is urgent, what is low, what is medium, that's all for the future. We can go into this ticket. We can also start to edit the tickets if we need to. We can reply to the ticket. Let's just say this is being actioned as we speak. And then click on send. This will have then gone to the user that's assigned to the ticket. We can also add some tags, change the type, change the status if we need to. And once this has been actioned, we can then say this is now low. This has now been resolved. Let's now click on update. Go to tickets. We can then see that this itself has been resolved. So that ticket itself can be moved to archive if we ever need to. We can also close this ticket from the top if we ever need to. We can now quit Safari. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.